Thinking about selling your Denver home, but not sure if it's the right time? Did you miss your window to sell? And are you confused about where to start? Then this video is for you. I know it can feel like a big project getting your home ready to list. I've put together a seller's guide that will get you started on the right track. You know, selling your Denver home doesn't have to be scary or disruptive or even complicated. It's really quite simple. And my seller's guide has everything you need to know to make this process super easy, all the way from pre-listing to closing. This guide walks you through each and every step. And the real estate industry can be so confusing. It's full of jargon that most people don't even see every day. I've taken the time to explain it all so that you feel comfortable with the process. It also highlights the process I use as part of my turning point process. My process focuses on you and making sure we understand and support your goals, provide expert digital marketing for listing your home, and make sure it stands out in the whole sea of listings. So just comment seller guide and I'll send you a copy to get started. After all, who doesn't love a checklist and a roadmap when starting a new journey? I'm Cher Revolinski with eXp Realty. I'm a realtor here in the Denver area, and I love educating and providing resources to make the home selling and buying journey as stress-free as possible. Talk to you soon.